Hello everyone and welcome to this course. So in this video we are going to discuss about the updates that we are going to give for this particular course. So yes, recon is one of the most important thing that you should know whenever you're approaching any target while you're performing bug bounty hunting or doing a usual regular pen testing for any particular role. You should know how you can perform better recon so that you can always increase your scope. And yes, whatever methodologies, tips and tricks that we have portrayed into the course, that will be more than sufficient for you for kickstarting your journey into bug bounties and pen testing. But along with this, we promise that we will be keep on doing periodic updates. These updates can vary from every day, or it can vary from a weekly or 15 days, 20 days or monthly, but we will 100% keep on updating the course for new methodologies. In case we come across any new vulnerability or new methodology that we like, which is easy for everyone to understand, we will quickly add it into the course. We will be also adding new tricks and automation. I keep on performing automation for finding out vulnerabilities. So I will keep on continuously adding new tricks in which you may identify new vulnerabilities or at least perform a mass hunting in a very easy manner. Also, we will be keep on adding new tools, and we will also do a comparison between the new tools that we are going to add and the old tools that are already used into the community. So yes, researchers make new tools from time to time. People like using new tools in which they fix some of the drawbacks that they have been facing into the previous old tools. So in that manner, if any new tools are coming into the market or into the community, we will be very happy to add those into this course. Along with that, we will add any new CVEs that are being publicly available that come out. So there were recent CVEs for Big IP, Cisco ASA servers, file read, file delete, and in case if there are new CVEs, we will also update that into this course along with the methodology to understand how you can utilize those particular CVEs or public exploit for mass hunting for your bug bounties. Last but not the least, we will give continuous support with this course. That means in case you have any issues or you come across any doubts, you can always post that into the Q&A section. I am always ready to help to every one of you. I'm highly passionate towards teaching every one of you, and I will make sure that all the questions are answered which are into the Q&A section. So I wish all the best to every one of you. Thank you.